In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can take full-page screenshots on iPhone. You can simply take full-page capture on either your Chrome, Safari, or any other browser. To do this, simply head into your Safari. Once again, it can be any other browser. Let's say you would like to capture this whole page. Simply take a normal screenshot. Just tap on the upper volume button together with your power button and take a screenshot. It's the upper volume and the power button for a normal capture. You will then have to tap into your captured screenshot. Click on Full Page. This is the captured full page. Tap on Done and then click on Save PDFs to Files. The captured page will be saved in your phone files successfully. That's how easy it is to capture full-page screenshots on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.